Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H2 pickup stands as a testament to automotive evolution, blending ruggedness with modern luxury. It's a vehicle for those who demand power, presence, and performance in every mile traveled. Exterior design. Step by step, the H2 captivates. A bold, square grille dominates the front, with high-set LED headlights adding a futuristic touch. Its muscular body, flared fenders, and 18-inch wheels exude off-road prowess, while the integrated rear bed ensures practicality. Pros: striking design, robust build. Cons: size may challenge maneuverability in tight urban areas. Interior design. The cabin merges utility with sophistication. Plush leather seats and durable finishes accommodate comfort and adventure. The dashboard, with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen and digital cluster, balances style and functionality. Advantages: spacious, tech-forward, rugged luxury. Disadvantages: limited rear legroom for taller passengers. Performance: a 6.6L V8 engine roars with 480 horsepower, coupled with all-wheel drive. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride over any terrain. Maximum speed: 120 miles per hour driving experience. Confident handling, unmatched off-road capability. Pros: raw power, off-road dominance. Cons: modest fuel economy. Price: starting at $95,000, it's ideal for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts age 30 and above. Competitors include the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram TRX, but the H2's iconic design remains unmatched. Summary: the 2025 Hummer H2 pickup is a symbol of unyielding strength and cutting-edge features, perfect for adventurers seeking style and substance. Whether tackling rough trails or making a statement on the road, the H2 delivers.